Well, over the past 6 months, we've seen a lot of bidding activity, particularly from value add and core plus investors, more so than what we've seen previously. Now that these syndicators and funds now have their sights set on purchasing the Melbourne CBD or core fringe and suburban locations. We're really starting to see these opportunities present themselves, particularly from private landlords who have held their assets for a long period of time, but have increasing exposure to vacancy and capex requirements, or just a change in life circumstances. We feel the opportunity lies in that value add and core plus sector in the Melbourne CBD and the better fringe suburbs to capitalise on these opportunities. I think scarcity factor is really the crux of all investment decisions at the moment. In office, we've only seen 9 transactions in the fringe and suburban markets this year, which demonstrates that there aren't many opportunities to capitalise on. And so if you get your hands on something at a compelling return, it might start to look attractive in this current market. Well, I think the sale of 333 Queen Street from our office investments and Melbourne CBD teams was a real demonstration that the market is still performing really strongly. We had 8 total bids throughout that process and 5 second round bids from those parties, which pushed pricing well in excess of vendor expectations. So the market feels like it's alive and well in the city. From a fringe perspective, our sale of 112 Trinity Crescent in Abbotsford, that was sold to an owner-occupier for circa $30 million, which really demonstrated the capabilities of some of these buyers to really capitalise on these opportunities when they present themselves.